Healthcare workers have seen the worst of this pandemic, and now they fear that the worst isn't even behind them. One RN here at Banner Thunderbird Medical Center is taking a unique approach to honor his patients. Kyle Schrag is an ICU nurse here who has already seen his share of deaths. He says since the pandemic started, more than 40 of his patients have died. That's a big change since before the pandemic, when about 2 of his patients would die every week. In the last surge, that number skyrocketed, with him losing more than 1 patient a day.
And that is still happening to this day. We haven't really had a chance to slow down, and that's made it difficult because it's really just packed on emotions after emotions.
So far, more than 6,500 Arizonans have died of COVID-19. And now that we're in the thick of another COVID surge, healthcare workers may very well find themselves in the same, if not worse, position. Percentage positivity rate is rising. Although it's not as high as it was in July when COVID peaked last, some experts say other factors, including a healthcare worker shortage, may make this worse. In the next 2 weeks, we will have a better idea of how Thanksgiving impacts COVID numbers. Experts are predicting it will get a lot worse. In Glendale, Nyla Charles, 12 News.